Hey folks, I'm Shomani. Welcome back to a new video. This video is a continuation of my previous video on generative AI. In this video, I'm going to talk about ChatGPT. In case if you have missed my previous video, please do check it out in my channel. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a generative AI tool that develops new data based on the previous data. It's developed by an American-based company, OpenAI. Before talking about ChatGPT, we must know what is prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? What is prompt? Prompt is a collection of statements that tells what exactly the generative AI tool to do. Prompt engineering together talks about how exactly we must write a statement in order to get a particular task done by the tool. 5 important tips that help you write a proper prompt. The very first tip is always start your prompt with the action words. Use action words like can you, starts with, that help the ChatGPT to give you the proper output. And the second important tip is always use references. In case if you want to explain a particular topic to a child, ask ChatGPT to explain it to a child. Make reference. The third important tip is use double quotes. If you want expected output of a particular thing, please use double quotes for that thing. That you will understand future in this video. The fourth important tip is always include the length of the response that you want. The fifth tip is always be specific of what exactly you want. Write your prompt properly without any ambiguity. Now let's jump into the main topic of a video, that is the use cases of ChatGPT are. The very first use case is it acts as a personal tutor. It helps us understand complex concepts in a simpler manner. For example, it helps us understand the complex concepts of physics, maths, science, biology in a simpler manner, like how a child understands. And the second important use case is that it helps in creation of a content. It helps in creation of essays, articles, blogs, etc. The third important use case is that it helps creating diet plans and financial plans. It can give us a proper diet plan which helps us stay healthy. And the important use case is that it helps in code optimization. It helps in creation of code, it helps in explanation of code, and it also helps in conversion of one coding program to another language, one language to another language. And the fifth important use case and final use case is that it helps in summarizing articles, blogs, books. For example, it helps summarize this book Ikigai, which saves a lot of time and energy for us. Now, I want to give you a proper demonstration of how ChatGPT works by writing some prompts. Now let's try ChatGPT to summarize the book Ikigai in an OpenAI website. Okay, let's try it. So this is how ChatGPT looks like, and now we are going to type the prompt to summarize the Ikigai. So here you can observe that we are using double quotes to get the specific output. As we can see that this ChatGPT is giving a precise output, and it is summarizing all the key concepts of the book, which saves lots of energy and time for us, which is really very useful for us. It's quite interesting that it is really useful. Now let's type a program to print n prime numbers in Python. So as we can see, it's giving a proper Python code to print in prime numbers. And it is also giving the detailed explanation of the above code. Now let's try running the code in a code editor and see the correctness of the code that we got. Yeah, now we are going to copy the code and we will go to the code editor. We'll paste the code and we'll run the code. As we can see, we are getting make sure to use this ChatGPT and make your day productive. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe for such content. Thank you. Bye.